Hi, and welcome to Scrapbook.com. Today I'm excited to share with you the Heartfelt Christmas stamp set. This stamp set includes 9 stamps on a 3x4 sheet. They're perfect for the front of your card as an inside sentiment. Plus, we've also given you a few extras to be able to put on an envelope or on the back of your card. This stamp set includes Happy Holidays as one single stamp. But if you choose to separate it apart, there's a nice break in the middle where you can cut the two apart. If you want them to go back together, it easily fits back together for one solid stamp again. We also have a Merry Christmas, and those are 2 separate stamps in 2 different fonts. So you can mix Merry and Christmas with these 2 or this one and this one, however it works best for you. There's also a large Greetings. And then the tiny Seasons, so it'd be fun to put Seasons greetings together. There's also a stamp that says, May your days be merry and bright, which would be fun for the front of a card or on the inside of the card, as well as this really pretty handmade circle stamp with a snowflake in the center. Perfect for putting on the back of your card and maybe signing your name or on the front of an envelope and so forth. So lots of choices for one little stamp that packs a big punch. We have some beautiful samples. One perfect for the Southwest with this beautiful cactus strung with lights. And if you've ever strung a cactus with lights, you realize that it's way harder than it looks. Very fun, stamped in red and then embossed with some gold embossing powder here. Very pretty. Look at this beautiful Seasons Greetings card. I love that she used the small Seasons from over here, along with the large Greetings. Just a fun, beautiful watercolored card. Look at the detail on this Merry Christmas card. All of the die cuts 3D'd. I love how the handmade circle stamp was used in 3D'd. Merry Christmas on these beautiful clouds with Santa and the reindeer in the sky. Absolutely beautiful. Who wouldn't love to get that in the mail? Lots of options for this beautiful stamp set. Mix and match, use on the front, use on the inside, whatever you like. That is the Heartfelt Christmas stamp set. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.